Gold prices moved towards the new highs today at 42 levels, while silver has also scaled towards the highs but now has cooled down again back to $53 zone. And if you talk about crude oil, we have seen a range bound movement yesterday staying in the zone 57.4. It has failed to break, and on the upside 59 it has achieved. While natural gas, yes, it is in the consolidation as well. So what to expect now from these four instruments today? Gold, silver, crude oil and natural gas. Way to enter, way to exit, how to profit, we are going to see in this one single update. Also, this is the first update for the day. The next update will be released before the US session. Watch that as well. Subscribe, press the bell icon, do like, share, and comment. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. Let's start. First, you look into gold, followed with silver, lastly crude oil, and then natural gas. Watch till the end. Now gold on the hourly charts, you can see one good rise, then a retracement towards 20 period, consolidated around 20 period, and then the next high here. Now from here where it goes, it is going to be interesting because it is possible that it might try to move like this, where the lows now are at around 4210, 4200 zone. This is going to be the prime support zone for the day, and then the strongest one is at 4180. So first zone for the day is between 4210 to 4200. This is the zone gold has to break today. If at all it trades below this, then you can say now it is turning bearish, and then too you will find the supports coming in at around 4190 and 4180. These are going to remain another crucial support. So in sum, so from 4210 till 4180, there are crucial supports available for gold. If at all you see gold below this, you can say now it is reversing. Else it is still staying bullish, looking upwards, trading bullish here. Now look what has happened on the hourly charts here. See, it has taken the base here and then since then rise, sideways movement, rise again. Now just under consolidation, even if you see it is staying below 42.24 levels, you can take a sell. This is going to be slightly riskier. First target should be around 42.16, then 42.10, then 42.05, and then 4200. So in sum till 4200 we have got enormous support available here. Moving average is trading bullish, stochastic back to overbought. MACD again crossing over for the buys after showing slight retracement. Now see what it has done. It has formed a double bottom on the early charts. Possibly move towards double top. It might, which means 4300 inside possible. RSI, if you look at this, is just slightly staying overbought here. Coming to 2 hour, on the 2 hour charts, likewise, see this move here right from 42.10 towards 42.40 and the median at around 42.25. So, yes, it has to trade below 42.25 and then you can expect there will be a further pull on the downside where the prices might trade lower, where gold would like to erase the gains from this candle, and if at all it trades below 42.10, that's a possible beginning of a slight reversal here. But right now it's staying bullish, very bullish rather. Moving averages are divergent as well. Stochastic overbought. MACD at the top is staying flat here, not showing much signs. RSI overbought here. Coming to 3 hour chart, on the 3 hour charts, look at this 5 period line here. You can see since long you can see this was the time where we had seen a candle closing below the 5 period moving average. And I can see since it is given a breakout here, we have not seen a candle closing below the 5 period moving average. You can see it here as well. So now again, 5 period moving average is one of the support levels. It has to close below the 5 period moving average and then trade below 42.10 and 4200 in order to confirm a reversal, else it is staying bullish. Now staying bullish means, what does it mean? Where it is going to fly? See, beyond 42.56 levels, we can in fact expect 42.80 here. This is something you should be watchful of. Though too much of divergence is a dangerous thing, but it is gold and it is flying high, and thus we have to be cautious now. Stochastic overbought. MACD is at extremes as well. If you look at MACD, yes, it delivers waves here, but and this is also at the top of the wave here. So possible reversal, yes, can be expected, but right now it is not showing any visible signs of reversal. It is staying bullish, and thus beyond 42.42 levels you can expect it to again move towards 42.55, 56, and then in fact 42.80. RSI overbought here. Coming to 4 hour, on the 4 hour charts, see every rise offsets with a little retracement. That is very much possible. This time the rise is extreme here, right from 39.50. We have seen the price is now coming all the way towards 42 levels. Almost $300 are done, and bigger the rise, there has to be a bigger pullback as well. Right now it is not showing much signs, but yes, once it trades below 4180, you can expect slight pull on the downside, which might take it all the way towards 4150 levels and then 4100 levels. But it requires a trigger, a strong trigger for gold to do so. Now if you look at the 4-hour charts here, yes, prices have diverged here, and now I will say we will wait for 4210 and 4200 mark to be taken in order to confirm bearishness. The stochastic overbought MACD at the top here, it requires to converge crossover. It is right now soaring high. RSI extremely overbought. Coming to the daily, on the daily charts, likewise, see every rise, at least retracement towards 5 period moving average is what we can expect. Now, 5 period moving average, where it is sitting right now, it is sitting at around 4150 levels here. And see, for the day, you can see higher highs, higher lows here. And if you just connect the highs, remember once it trades beyond 4256, we can in fact expect it to move towards 4276 and then 4300 mark. Anything and everything is possible. These are markets. Now remember here, three candle formation is done. The divergence of the price from the 5 period is strong, and hence if at all you see it is staying below 4200 or 4180 mark, remember there could be a stronger pull on the downside. Again, the prices are trading with too much of divergence from the 20 period. Worry point for me, and yes, it is not showing any signs for it to retest. This is an exponential rise. Look at this, the vertical rise here. Certainly, right now, no signs of reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD at extremes here, RSI overbought. See, these are extremes here. And this is an overstretched run for gold. Hence, the higher it goes, the higher caution you should exercise here. So now considering this, where you should buy? Before I give you the trading level, yes, you can also learn this art of trading where very easily you can identify the profitable trades and very easily you can trade profitably, increase your winning ratio. Be a part of my mentorship batch. 35th batch starts soon. Register yourself now. Reach out to me for queries. Else, you can also be part of my signals channel on Telegram. Where trading as per the signals you can profit. Connect with me, write an email, ping me or Telegram for queries. Those looking forward to a trusted partner which offers you a swap-free account with lowest spreads and no hidden charges, easier transactions and easier withdrawals from across the globe. You can find the recommended broker link also in the channel and video description. So now where you should buy. Now buying entry is at 4240 levels here, where you can expect it to move towards 4256 or 5456, the first target zone. If this is taken, the possibility will be very, very high that we will see 42, 76, 78 levels here. And staying beyond this, 4300 should be seen. Difficult, but not impossible. Uh, a $70 move today appears difficult as far as my understanding goes. Let's see if it breaches this zone, the bullishness will certainly increase. On the down, I will only recommend you to sell at 42.24. Then too, with the nearest support it will get is at around 42.18, 16, 42.10, 42.05 and then 4200. Till 4200 it has got very, very good support. Below 4200 we can expect 4180, and then below 4180 this time I will be looking at 4154, the next target. If at all it trades below 4154, I think 4130 and lower levels should be there, which right now appears difficult here. It is not showing any visible signs for such a drop. Take your trades accordingly. Let's move to silver. If you look at silver, in the earlier trades today, we have seen silver soaring towards the record levels again. We have seen it moving past 5350 levels just for a brief while. And this is also a double top from what we had seen in the recent past, that is day before, where we had seen extremely volatile move here. Now see it is staying in the range. So now we will wait for it to trade below 5280 levels. 5280, 5250 and then 5230. These are the key levels here. I will say till $52 levels. Silver has got very, very, very strong support now. Below 52, I think that is the point of time where you can say now the slide will begin. Now look at this move. A greater slide has appeared. Now this is under retracement. Post read also it is created a double top. So now once it breaks, once it trades below 52, you can expect a greater down move here, which can in fact take silver towards 50-50 levels here. You have to be watchful. Stochastic though is rising right now. The MACD almost flat. See, the drop was vertical, the retracement is flat. And hence a crossover here could lead to the next down wave. RSI flat. Coming to 2 hour, similar is the observation on the 2 hour chart. See the rise, retracement rise here. If you see it is staying below 52.80, you can take a sell 52.50, 52.30, 52. This is the zone which should offer a very good support, and below 52 is where the reversal process begins. And then we can expect 51.50 or 50.50 levels here. Yes. Look at the top, look at the retracement, 2 to 3 candles for it to move this all the way lower towards 50.50. And since then, it has taken a couple of days to retrace all the way. So let's wait for it to give you a breakdown move. Stochastic looking down, the MACD is under retracement. It is flat though. RSI is flat as well. On the 3 hour charts, look at the support it is taking from the 5 period moving average here. Also, this is consolidation after, see what has happened here. You can see one bullish candle consolidation, again bullish candle consolidating here. So now, if you see silver trading above 53, 50, 53, 60, I think this will confirm another round of rally. Even if you see silver above 53.30, you can take a buy for 53.50, 53.60. And if that is taken, we are ready for 54 or even 55. Stochastic flat at top, MACD flat, RSI flat. On the 4 hour chart, see here it is formed a triple bottom here at around 52.30. Lower highs were seen, it has given a breakout. Now, ideally, this could have become a reversal sign if the price is now trades below 50 to 80 levels and then waiting for it to trade below 50 to 50, 50 to 30 levels and then 52. What could happen here? It can in fact take a huge dump. Look at the move here, then rise. And now, as and how it breaches the levels, more bearishness will prevail and then 52 or 51, 50 or in fact 50, 50 can be seen here. Stochastic overbought, MACD at the top as well, RSI is at the top as well. Coming to daily, on the daily charts, likewise, see since long silver has closed below 5 period moving average only once, and that too I'm talking about the run since this 36 $37 level. Since then, it has just closed below 5 period moving average only once, and now 5 period is moving average is one support it has to trade, which suggests 52 and 50 mark is what you should watch out for. If at all silver prices tries to trade below this, then you can expect a possible move on the downside, as right now it is staying very much bullish. Stochastic at the top, MACD divergent bullish. See what a vertical rise it has shown, and it's been long. It is just kept moving higher. See record run here. We have not seen silver trading beyond this mark. That is in fact plus 100. Let me take you to the history here, where you talk about the 2011 run, where it has achieved to the highs here. You can see it was never at these levels. This was plus 200, and now if you look at the current levels, this is at extremes here. So yes, at the current zone we have to be watchful and careful. RSI is staying extremely overbought. So considering this, what you can do first, where you should buy, I will recommend you to buy. If you see it is staying beyond 53.30 mark, expect 53.60 first target. Beyond 53.60, it is going to be 54. And beyond 54, we will see silver soon heading towards 55. Though I do not see that happening today, but yes, these are markets. It can happen today as well, as and how it moves away from 54. The possibility of 55 will be very, very high. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 52.90. When you see the higher price below 52.90, you can take a sell. What you can do, what you can expect here, you can expect 52.70, 52.50, and then 52.25. Now once this is taken, then expect 52, and below 52 is where the bears are waiting. Below 52 we can expect 51.50, 51, and then 50.50 levels very, very soon, and then ultimately 50, the psychological mark, which appears a difficult target. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to crude oil. Is crude on the hourly charts. See, after hitting the lows day before towards 57.4, we have seen a little bounce back, little consolidation yesterday. Yes, we talked about that it should achieve 59, it achieved 59. Now, can we expect it to break beyond 59 and 59.6 and move higher towards 60? If you look at the move right now, it is too early to jump onto that conclusion because see, lower highs means first oil has to trade above 59. Once you see it is staying beyond 59 and then 59.6, then you can say it might show a reversal here. Else what's happening after the greater down move? Yes, it has retraced. The next down move has appeared. It might retrace. Possibility is there, and it could keep itself intact in this bearish channel as long as 64 is not taken. It is still bearish. Stochastic at the bottom. And yes, we will come back to the daily charts towards the end of this. Let's start with now hourly. Oil here on the early charts, since the drop, it is under retracement. See this box here, it is staying itself, keeping itself intact in this box. So now even if you see oil trading above 58.6, you can buy at 58.6, but wait for 59 and then 59.4, 59.6, the two key levels here. Notice since the drop, I can see this, it is delivering higher lows, higher highs, which means it might fall back within the zone, but it is going to be difficult for oil to break this 59.4, 59.6. Stochastic has taken a dip here, while the MACD is rising, trading with little divergence. RSI is rising as well. On the 2-hour charts, and similar observation here on the 2-hour charts. Notice rise, sideways movement, and again a rise, a pullback, again rising. Now 20 period offering it a little resistance. So once it trades beyond 58.6, you can expect 59, 59.4, 59.6. Else it is right now not showing such a sign for a reversal. Stochastic, MACD, and RSI all are right, supportive for further up move here. Look at 3-hour charts. What has happened on the 3-hour chart? See the rise. Look at the ceiling here, then the retracement, and again rising. So I'll wait for 58.6 again to be breached, and then 59 and 59.4, 59.6 to be breached in order to confirm a reversal. Notice for this to confirm a reversal, it has to break this zone, and then possibly we will see it hitting 60.5, 61 as well. But right now it is staying weak. Stochastic, MACD is rising as well, forming double bottom. It has crossed over now, trading with divergence. RSI is rising. So signs are supportive for further up move here. On the 4-hour chart, similar observation. See higher lows, higher highs, increasing body size. However, till 59, you have to stay cautious. Yes, be it the stochastic. Look at the MACD as well, crossing over here at the bottom, trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI rising as well. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, we had already seen lower highs and higher lows here. Any drop below 57.8 and 57.4 should take the prices further low. Though things are oversold, but it is still having room for further down move, be it the stochastic, RSI, or MACD here. So considering this, what you should, I will recommend you to buy. If you see the lower price above 58.6, you can buy here. Expect 59 or close to 59 here. Once it trades beyond 59, we can see 59.4, 59.6. And this is going to be the prime zone. It has to trade beyond, which will confirm the next move towards 60 and in fact 61. But right now it is not showing such a strength here. Now on the downside, where you should, I will in fact recommend you to sell at 58.2, expect 57.9, and then 57.5, 57.4. If at all it trades below this, just stay short for 57, 56, and then 55 levels here. Take your trades and positions accordingly. Now let's move to natural gas. If you see natural gas is since trading towards 3.4, it is now bouncing back. It is possible that drop retracement, it could move towards 3.5. But see, I will say a reversal confirmation in natural gas is only and only if you see it is staying beyond 3.53, 3.56 levels, then this is a reversal. Else right now it is still showing bearish. See, the moving averages have started to converge, which is a supportive sign for the bulls. But when you look at the momentum, see very small body size. This suggests this is a possible retracement. But yes, if you see it is staying beyond 3.48 and 3.5, you can stay with the buys from there. Stochastic at the top, the MACD has seen a good rise. It is still trading with divergence, staying bullish. RSI is rising as well. On the 2 hour, the observation is more or less same. Moving average is crossed over 5 and 20 period. Support here very, very strong. And that is why I say till 3.44 at least we should not be looking for a sell. And even if it trades below 3.44, remember 3.41, 3.4 is the zone it has to trade below. Also notice it is possible that this is a retracement and then a possible dump from these levels can be seen. Stochastic overbought, MACD crossing over here, trading with divergence, staying bullish, RSI rising here. On the 3 hour chart, more or less similar observation here on the 3 hour. Here's the support at 3.4 for very very strong, and now we'll wait for 3.4 at 3.52 to be taken in order to confirm a possible reversal. Stochastic overbought, MACD at a bottom and now crossing over here, and it is a supportive sign for further rise and retracement. RSI rising, which is also a good sign for the bulls. Look at 4 hour chart. Also remember today we have the natural gas storage data coming in from US that is definitely going to impact the prices here. It might add on to the volatility. Now on the 4 hour charts, the price retraced towards 20 period. Now it is very crucial for 20 period to be taken, which means if you see it is staying beyond 3.4 at 3.5, we can stay with the bias for 3.53 and 3.56. Staying beyond 3.56, it's a reversal. Stochastic overbought. MACD has hit a bottom. It has crossed over, supportive sign for further rise. RSI is indeed rising. Coming to daily. On the daily charts, you can notice the 5 period was offering it a little resistance. And this also confirms it is very, very crucial for natural gas to trade beyond 3.48, 3.5 and 3.53 zone. If these three levels are taken, it is possible reversal here in natural gas prices where 3.6, 3.8 will be seen. Why so? Now let me take you a little far. Rise, retracement, rise, retracement. If you connect the lows and the highs, these are beautifully aligned. It is staying in this bullish channel. Any move beyond 3.6 in natural gas should take it towards 4 in the near future. That is, should be the targets. Moving averages have crossed over. These are trading bullish. Stochastic is oversold, trying to recover. While the worry point here is the MACD, which is crossed over at the top and it is right now looking downwards. So possible range bound movement you can expect, and then a strong pullback again on the upside. RSI has taken a dip here. So looking at, yes, you can buy at 3.48, expect 3.5, 3.525 and 3.55. Once it trades beyond 3.5556, stay bullish for 3.6. Beyond 3.6, sky is the limit. You can expect it to move towards 3.7 to 3.8 levels very very soon, though appears difficult today. On the downside, I will recommend you to sell at 3.44, expect 3.4, 3.37, 3.35, 3.3 and then 3.2. Till 3.2, natural gas has stronger supports here. Below 3.2, it is going to be 3.0507, which is a hurdle for natural gas to break beyond. But yes, these are markets. Anything and everything is possible. So take your trades and positions accordingly. Like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. Join my signals channel. Reach out to me for your queries. Join the free Telegram channel for live market updates and join the channel memberships here on YouTube to support the effort. See you again before the US session with more updates. Do what it is.